Steps to perform the bent over row exercise with perfect form. The bent over row is a compound exercise that targets the muscles of the upper back, including the latissimus dorsi, rhomboids, and traps. Follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure proper form and maximize the effectiveness of your workout. Equipment needed: barbell and resistance bands or Olympic plates or Olympic sandbags. Step 1. Set up your stance. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Hold the barbell in front of you with your palms facing down, eyes looking toward the ceiling. Step 2. Hinge at the hips. Bend at your hips, keeping your back straight and chest up. Your torso should be inclined forward at about a 45-degree angle. Step 3. Engage your core. Tighten your core muscles to stabilize your spine. This helps prevent excessive arching or rounding of your lower back. Step 4. Start the movement. With your arms fully extended, initiate the rowing movement by pulling the barbell towards your lower chest. Keep your elbows close to your body throughout the movement. Step 5. Squeeze your shoulder blades. As you pull the weight, focus on squeezing your shoulder blades together. This engages the muscles of your upper back. Step 6. Control the descent. Lower the weight back down. Controlling the weight on the descent and fully extending your arms, avoid letting the weight pull you forward. Tips for proper form: maintain a neutral spine throughout the exercise. Avoid rounding your back or allowing it to arch excessively. Keep your head in a neutral position, eyes toward the crease between the ceiling and the wall. Choose a resistance band or weight that allows you to maintain good form. It's better to start lighter and gradually increase the weight as you become more comfortable with the movement. Breathe naturally, exhaling as you pull the weight and inhaling as you lower it. Common mistakes to avoid: using momentum. Focus on controlling the bar rather than swinging the bar. Shrugging your shoulders. Keep your shoulders down and away from your ears. Incorporating the bent over row into your back workout routine will build strength and definition in your upper back muscles. As with any exercise, consult with your doctor before starting any workout routine. If you're new to weightlifting or have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Like and follow if you'd like to see more content like this.